All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the new iPhone XS. Yes, indeed. Apple has come out with their sequel to the iPhone X, and unsurprisingly, it looks the exact same for the most part. But here we go. We're going to break open the package and see what's inside. Right off the bat, I'll tell you what's not inside. You're not getting a headphone jack adapter. You're not getting a quick charge. You're just getting the standard iPhone fare that you've gotten for the past few years. But, I mean, that's okay. You have wireless charging. You have other fast chargers that you can buy. I mean, I do wish they included one in the box, but I'm not here to complain too much. It's a new phone. So, here it is. This is a 64 gigabyte space gray version. We'll set that to the side for a little bit. There are your ear pods with no headphone jack adapter. And then on the inside, you have your lightning cable and you have your power brick. And also you have the camera going out of focus because I forgot to set it to manual focus on this video. I'm sorry about that. I was very excited to get into the phone. Please don't be mad with me. I probably have about 500 of those lightning cables in my apartment. I really don't need any more, but there you go. So here it is. Here's the iPhone XS in all of its glory. Stainless steel, glass, 2 cameras, that beautiful display on the front, an OLED display from Apple. This is the second time that they've done that in a flagship phone, and I must say, it looks amazing. Here it is next to the iPhone 8 from last year, my good old trusty iPhone 8. Going by the wayside for the new hotness. I love space gray, so I kept with the same space gray color. I think it looks amazing. And yeah, there it is. And also, I have a bonus unboxing for you. A very small little look at the iPhone XS silicone case. I always go with the official Apple cases. I think the quality is just awesome on these guys. Yeah, they're $39, but I mean, I keep it on my phone for the entire year. I have that one on my iPhone 8 for the whole year, and it's lasted me, and it looks great still. But there you go. There's your look at the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Blue Horizon Silicone Case.